Hey guys, it's Maryland BMX 1230 here. Coming at you with Nick Mitchell's Fit BF3 bike check, because you're gonna be seeing this bike in a lot of the videos and a lot of the edits. And if the other kid, Tommy, will do his bike, then you'll probably see that. But for now, this is Nick's Fit BF3. Okay. Take it.
Yeah, dude, I think this is a pretty good bike for most of all riders. For one, I think it's good for me, good size. Starting off, we have some very nice fit stock handlebars, and then going up to the brake cable, we have electro brake cable and brakes. And then for handlebars, or no, for grips, Bell, got these at Walmart. Didn't feel like going on Dan's comp. For the headset, I'm pretty sure this is stock. I don't know, it says Fit Bike Co, but it's nice, it's chrome, pretty lightweight. For the seat going down to that, it's a, what is it, Suburza stem pivotal. Pretty nice, I just changed it on the day. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Alright, whatever.
Stock?
Yeah, stock cranks. And then my pedals, S&M 101, they're pretty nice, but I recommend plastic pedals if you don't want to get your shins cut up like I do. I don't even know what these are. I'm just gonna say, hold on, wait. No, I don't even know what these are. I'm just gonna say they're stock tires. And then Alienation rim. Front rim, and then back rim too, yeah, front and back rim. And I got a half length chain, and then my sprocket, that's a, what is that, stock, yeah, stock S&M sprocket. And yeah, I think that's about it.
What's the frame length, top tube?
No.
I think it might be 20.5. Looks about
probably
right.
Probably like 20.5.
Yeah. So what do you think about the frame?
I think it's pretty nice. It's been holding up. I've had it for about a year now. But I'm about to get the premium Subway. I've heard that's pretty good, and I've checked it out myself. It's pretty good too. But yeah, this is very lightweight. I recommend this for all riders, and it's very good dirt and park bike.
Yeah, so for now, this is his bike check. We're probably gonna have a little clip of him riding his bike
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. But it'll be in this video. Don't worry.
It's pretty dark outside right now.
Yeah, it's like 1 in the morning. We're just doing this. So, yep. Maryland BMX 1230 signing out. Next bike check, we should have Tommy or Candy's bike.
Yeah.
Alright, see ya.